relaxing waterfall seems to be heightening the Pokemon's concentration. The stage is set and the curtain is up. Earthquake tears open the ground! Taken out already. The blue corner has won the first round with a single hit. The second set of Pokemon have appeared. That hurt! Its evasiveness rose. Nicely done! The red corner faces a great deal of pressure. Its attack missed! That hurt! Ow! It was badly poisoned! Latias suffers from poison. Shuckle protects itself. The red corner protects against the attack. The damage caused by poison is slowly increasing. The blue corner still can't pull off a move. Hit by Dragon Pulse. It's down and out. The blue corner has 2 wins so far. One more win and victory will be claimed. The third set of Pokemon have appeared. A fierce blow! Such amazing power! Soaked by Surf! Taken out already! The blue corner has lost this round. They have 2 wins and 1 loss. Can they win the next round and take the battle? The fourth set of Pokemon have appeared. Fierce blow! The red corner barely holds on. A sandstorm is brewing in the Colosseum. Soaked by Surf. It couldn't take him. It's down. The game is now over. It's an absolute victory for the blue corner.